Oh, this is, let's see. How's it guys? Welcome to the channel. So today I have a Gamepad 3, Sony PlayStation 3 and PS3 compatible wireless Bluetooth gamepad. So I bought this from Castro series. It was $2.59 South African rands. I'll put the dollar figure for you up there. Compatible 3 PlayStation 3 PC 6-axis Bluetooth wireless. Got your buttons there, normal stuff, features, you can read that there. Nothing major here, nothing major there, nothing major there. Pretty standard box, looks like the PS4 boxes the controllers come. No sticker, nothing. Let's go straight to open it. So I bought this here basically. I sell consoles, so I needed one for PS3 I'm selling, so I said let me give this a try. You saw my other unboxing videos. I got another one there. It was a double shock 3 or something. I'll leave a link there. Okay. See, that's the slip. But I think this is for the PC to make it work, not for sale. Where you see this now? And comes with a USB cable. So this is the mini cable, you call it mini something, USB A to mini. This only PS3 works with this here, this cable there. And you got nothing else here, and then you got your controller. Oh, this thing is light, cheap. Oh, got like Xbox 360 thumbsticks, but it is light, very light. Sticker, you got your R2 L1. Sheesh. Oh, it's got power, so it is rechargeable via the mini. It's one good thing, but it feels cheap, guys. I don't know how long this will work. I sold a few PS3s with this controller. Don't know how long they last. Got like a textured grip here. Lights are flashing. Well, okay, for sale. We can't get PS3 controllers new anyway. This is the only way to replay the games, or you're gonna have to repair a controller. Anyway guys, I'm gonna go to the TV now, let's give it a test, see how it works on my PS3. So I'll see you there guys. Alright guys, we're by the TV now. So I got the controller. So you normally take that cable, you just zinc it up to your PlayStation. Just zinc it up with that, and then you're good to go. So it is working like a normal PlayStation. Let's see how it loads a game. Alright, so I'll load a game and we'll check it out guys. So I'll skip all these parts here, and then I'll go to the gameplay direct, and then alright, let's see, start button. Okay, it works, circle. Let's continue. Let's see, I now finished this game here, so let's see. So it is on the one light here. Does feel cheapy. Hey, I'm not used to these controllers. I still play the original controllers. The good old days of PS3 loading. Now let's see, here we are. So this is, let's see. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's working. It's vibrating pretty nice. It vibrates nice. That's the only good thing I think about it. I don't really think of anything else. Yeah. So it's not bad. I know long term. I'm not gonna play with this long term. So say that's it. Oh yeah. So not bad, guys. So thinking about getting a good alternative, but expensive. You can get the double shock like in my other video for cheaper. So it's up to y'all guys what you want to do. But if you really need one, it's decent enough. Don't really like the shape and that's button different. But otherwise it works. Anyway guys, like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. I'm out.